Welcome to the top best. The Best Porter Cable Tool Kit is probably one of the most versatile and reliable options for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals looking to tackle a wide range of projects, from simple home repairs to more complex construction tasks. This comprehensive set often includes essential tools that are built to last, offering a fantastic balance of performance, durability, and affordability, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking quality without breaking the bank. It's designed to equip you with the right tools for the job, ensuring efficiency and precision in every application. Number 5. Porter Cable 20V Max 4-Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the Porter Cable 20V Max 4-Tool Combo Kit. This set is designed to power through your toughest jobs with ease. The 1-2-inch drill driver offers 2 speeds for versatile application. Its lightweight and compact design reduces fatigue, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Effortlessly tackle various cutting tasks with the 5-1-2-inch circular saw. It delivers 3,700 revolutions per minute and features tool-free depth adjustment for quick changes. The compact reciprocating saw is built for efficiency. With 0 to 3,000 SPM and a 7/8-inch stroke length, it makes quick work of demolition and cutting jobs. Enjoy seamless transitions between tasks. Both the circular saw and reciprocating saw feature tool-free adjustments for blades and depth, saving you valuable time. Experience enhanced comfort with its ergonomic handle and thoughtful features like an LED light and onboard bit storage on the drill driver. What we like. This kit offers a lightweight and compact design, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The 2-speed drill driver provides versatile power for various applications. If you are looking for a solid starter set for general home projects and value portability, this is a great option. What people say. All tools in this kit are still running strong and they see use weekly for around-the-house fixes and projects. Batteries are still running strong as well. Definitely recommend. The reciprocating saw and circular saw both have good power to get through some pretty thick soft wood, 2x4s, 2x6 and even ripping them, although they do discharge the battery quite quickly as opposed to the flashlight and drill. It comes with the bag number 1, drill number 2, 2 batteries number 3 and 4, hand saw number 5 and blade number 6, reciprocating saw number 7 and blade number 8 and a flashlight number 9. It is very powerful and just by holding it we can tell it's better than the LEILUO we recently purchased. Number 4. Porter Cable 20V Max *6 Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the Porter Cable 20V Max *6 Tool Combo Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with power and precision. The 1-2-inch drill driver delivers 283 units watts out with a 2-speed gearbox for versatile performance. Its compact design and LED light make it easy to handle in any situation. Experience efficient fastening with the 1/4-inch hex impact driver. It provides 1,450 Nm of torque and features a quick-release chuck for fast bit changes. Cut through materials with ease using the circular saw. Its high-performance motor and 5-1/2-inch carbide blade allow for a 2-1/8-inch cutting capacity, with a beveling shoe for angled cuts. The reciprocating saw is built for tough jobs, featuring a high-performance drivetrain with a 7/8-inch stroke length. Its tool-free blade release and variable speed offer convenience and control. This kit also includes an oscillating tool for detailed work, a cutting blade, a flashlight for visibility, and a USB charger to keep your batteries powered up. What we like. This comprehensive 6-tool set includes an impact driver for tougher fastening jobs and a handy USB charger for your devices. If you need a wider range of tools for more demanding DIY tasks and appreciate the convenience of charging on the go, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The Porter Cable Tool Kit is a great addition to my garage. It has all the essential tools I need for basic home repairs. I was impressed with the quality of the tools in this kit. They feel durable and well-made, which is great for the price. The compact design of the kit makes it easy to store in my toolbox or car. It's perfect for on-the-go projects. Number 3. LEILUO Diamond Oscillating Multi-Tool Blades Kit. Introducing the LEILUO Diamond Oscillating Multi-Tool Blades Kit, designed for efficient grout removal and various renovation tasks. This versatile set is built to handle your toughest jobs. These blades offer wide compatibility with most quick-release and non-quick-release systems on the market. They are designed to fit popular brands, making them a flexible addition to your toolkit. Featuring a diamond grit edge, these blades excel at removing grout from tiles and cleaning excess concrete. The specialized design allows for precise cutting in tight spaces and general tasks. This comprehensive set includes both flat and crescent-shaped blades, perfect for a range of household renovations and remodeling projects. You'll have the right tool for every application. For optimal performance, use the tool at a lower speed without excessive force. Allowing more teeth to engage with the material will enhance cutting efficiency and extend the lifespan of your blades. Please note that these blades are not suitable for Starlock systems and may require an adapter for certain Dremel tools. Refer to the product details for specific compatibility information. What we like. This kit is specifically designed with a diamond grit edge, making it ideal for tough tasks like grout removal and concrete cleaning. If your projects involve tile work, bathroom remodeling, or dealing with masonry, these blades will be invaluable for precision and efficiency. What people say. Cut right through grout and concrete backer board so I could isolate, remove and replace some broken floor tiles. Very impressed, especially for the quantity and price. I finished the project and am still on the first blade. These blades handle wood and metal like a champ. Strong quality steel and solid durability. Great for home repairs and garage projects, I'll buy them again. Estas son las cuchillas que utilis con mi máquina para quitar la barata de la piscina, y funcionaron de maravilla. Cortan y desgastan bien sin desgastarse demasiado rápido, y se adaptan perfectamente a la herramienta. Si necesitas un juego de cuchillas para trabajos puntuales o intensivos, estas cumplen muy bien su función. Number 2. PETOX 159 PCS Oscillating Saw Blades Kit. Get a comprehensive set of 159 oscillating saw blades and accessories. This versatile kit is perfect for a wide range of cutting, sanding, and scraping tasks, helping you work more efficiently. Our blades feature a universal interface, ensuring compatibility with over 95% of oscillating tools on the market. They are designed to work seamlessly with popular brands, making them a flexible addition to your toolkit. Crafted from high-quality high-carbon steel and alloy steel, these blades are built to last. They are 50% harder than standard blades, offering excellent durability and resistance to wear for tough jobs. Achieve accurate cuts with ease thanks to the integrated precision scales in both inches and centimeters. The specially designed long wavy teeth ensure faster and cleaner cuts in wood and plastics. This kit is ideal for various applications, including cutting wood, metal, and plastic, as well as sanding and removing paint. It's a great solution for both workshop and household projects. As a trusted brand, we are dedicated to providing you with superior products and excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, we are always here to help resolve them. What we like. With an extensive 159 pieces, this set offers an unparalleled variety of blades and sandpaper for almost any cutting and sanding job. Its universal interface ensures broad compatibility with most oscillating tools. If you're a serious DIYer or professional who tackles a wide array of projects and wants maximum versatility in one package, this is the ultimate kit. What people say. The toolkit is very durable and has a good grip. It comes with a variety of tools that are useful for many tasks. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Number 1. PETOX 43 PCS Oscillating Saw Blades Multitool Kit. This extensive kit includes 43 pieces, featuring various types of oscillating saw blades and adapters. It's designed to handle a wide range of cutting, sanding, and scraping tasks, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Our blades feature a universal interface system and come with extra adapters, ensuring compatibility with over 95% of oscillating tools on the market. You can rely on them to fit most of your existing equipment. Crafted from high-quality high-carbon steel and alloy steel, these blades are built to last. They are treated for enhanced hardness and corrosion resistance, providing a tough and long-lasting cutting experience. Achieve accurate cuts with ease thanks to the integrated precision scales in both inches and centimeters. The specially designed long wavy teeth ensure faster and cleaner cuts in wood and plastics. This cost-effective set helps you accomplish various tasks efficiently, whether at home or in the workshop. It's a smart choice for anyone looking for reliable performance without breaking the bank. As a trusted brand, we are dedicated to providing excellent products and service. If you have any questions or concerns, our team is always ready to assist you and ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This 43-piece set provides a good selection of essential oscillating saw blades and adapters at a very attractive price point. It features a universal interface for wide compatibility. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option to expand your tool's capabilities for common household tasks and renovations, this kit offers great value. What people say. The kit includes a variety of essential tools for basic home repairs and DIY projects. The tools are made of durable materials and feel solid in hand. The compact carrying case keeps all the tools organized and portable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.